Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to move a copy of an item in Monday.com from one board to another. This is incredibly useful when you need to transfer information between different projects or teams while keeping the original item intact in its current location. Let's start by navigating to the source board in Monday.com. This is the board that contains the item you want to duplicate and move. Once you're on the correct board, take a moment to locate the specific item you'd like to work with. You'll notice a checkbox on the left side of each item row. Click the checkbox next to the item you want to copy. As soon as you do this, a pop-up panel will appear at the bottom of your screen. This panel contains several options for managing the selected item. From these options, select Duplicate. This action initiates the copying process, allowing you to create a replica of your item before moving it elsewhere. Now you'll be presented with two choices for how to duplicate the item. You can choose either duplicate with updates or duplicate without updates, depending on whether you want to include all the conversation threads and activity history from the original item. Make your selection based on your needs, then click Duplicate. The system will create a copy of your item, which will appear directly below the original in the same board. Give it a moment to process and ensure the duplicate has been created successfully. Next, click the checkbox next to the new copy you just created. Again, the pop-up panel will appear below your selected item. This time, on the pop-up panel shown below, select Move To, then click Move to Board from the submenu that appears. This action tells Monday.com that you want to relocate this duplicated item to a different board entirely. A new window will open where you can configure the move. Select the target board from the drop-down menu, which is where you want your copied item to end up. You'll also need to choose the specific group within that board where the item should be placed. If the columns in your source and destination boards have different names or structures, you may need to map columns to ensure the information transfers correctly. Take your time with this step to make sure everything aligns properly, then click Move Items to finalize the transfer. Finally, navigate to the destination board to verify the copy has arrived successfully. You can rename the item if desired to differentiate it from the original or to better fit the context of its new board. And that's it. You've successfully moved a copy of an item from one Monday.com board to another. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.